Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete fingerprint on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. And on the settings, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Then click on secure lock and biometrics. Type in your PIN or password, click on continue. Now come to you see fingerprints under biometrics, click on it. Then go ahead and delete. Then go ahead and select the fingerprint you want to delete. Then you should say remove at the top right. Go ahead and click on remove. Now click on remove from the pop, and that's it. Now the fingerprint will be removed and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to delete or remove fingerprints from Samsung. If you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.